welcome to another episode of My Man the Maker. Today we've got a little care package coming in from Argentina, and what they've sent us is a timepiece that I've been searching for on the line for a long time, and I'm really glad to have found it. And it took a worldwide search, literally, and they also included a little gift. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this apart. We're going to take a look at what's inside of the boxes, and we're going to take maybe a closer look at the watch in question. Now, just a little bit of a backstory on why I have this watch. Several years ago, almost 10 years ago, I bought a Tag Heuer watch, and that watch I really liked it, but my wife liked it too. And the problem is that, well, you can't have one without the other. So I ended up buying a female version of my watch on eBay, but when it arrived it wasn't exactly what I wanted. It wasn't exactly perfect. So what I ended up doing was buying another one after a little while of looking at the one that I had originally bought and not really liking it all that much. Now, the reason why I didn't like the old one that much is because the lume on the dial had aged to the point where well, I don't know what to say. It just didn't look all that well. And the other thing is that the lume on the hands had completely degraded. So here we are, the reveal. This is the Argentinian version of the watch to replace the old watch, which is now going to become a project watch. And I hope it looks a little bit better. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's a Tag Heuer 1500. A lot of people call these the professional 200 meter because that's what's actually on the dial. It doesn't say 1500 anywhere on the watch. That just happens to be its model number. Let's take a closer look. You can see that we have, I guess that's about as much mag as I can get out of this camera. You can see the lume on the hands is good, and you can also see that the lume on the dial is good. It's a very nice looking dial, and I'm very pleased. So hopefully Mrs. Maker is going to like this watch. Hold it up for a little better look, less reflection, and we're going to show off the model number if I can get the watch oriented correctly. It's a Tag Heuer 1500 professional 200 meters granite dial, and the model is, and there we are. That's about it for this video. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and I'd like you to consider supporting this channel. It'd be very nice if you wouldn't mind taking a look at my Patreon and subscribing to this YouTube channel. I plan to do a video maybe once or twice a month, and I've already got a lineup of about 20 watches coming. I'm going to do some new watches, some old watches, lots of vintage stuff, and we'll see how things go. This is the first video. It's just a quick little video to try out a 2-camera setup and also a voiceover. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.